make your porridge, you put it in it, you even boil your tea. You can just draw it like this and drink it as tea.
You may make tea like cocoa or as Ms Ena said, chocolate. Yeah, me use it in it.
Father is 88 and all along is a cinnamon tea he drink.
Jamaica family, how you do? Oh, fantastic. This video is a little bit different. Today we're delving into a spice that has been cherished from biblical times. It's this, the cinnamon. We're going to explore its biblical significance, but also show you how modern science has confirmed its amazing health benefits. And stay with me to the end because I'm going to show you how you, at home, can enjoy the benefits of cinnamon in your daily routine in some simple ways. First, I want to say a special shout out to all my Jamheart members, Jamheart family. Those of you who continue to like, share, and comment on my videos, I say thank you. If you are here for the first time, I'm going to invite you to join us. I'm on a journey to do all of this beautiful stuff, share the real Jamaica, I call it. Interesting places, unusual fruits, medicinal herbs, and all of that. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go. The cinnamon. And this is it, guys. The cinnamon tree. It's a beautiful leaves here. And by the way, I'm in Mazeland, home of Ms Ena. You remember her, the lady from the sarsaparilla and the papaya video. This is a giant tree, beautiful. And this here is a younger, more vibrant looking cinnamon tree right beside, yes, you heard it right in the background, a pig pen. So this pig is living the life here. I would love to live beside a cinnamon tree, sir or mom. Is it a sir or mom? anyways, this is it, guys. Now let's talk about its biblical significance, though. You know, cinnamon is mentioned several times in the Bible, illustrating its sacred and valuable role in ancient cultures. In Exodus 30 verse 23, cinnamon was one of the ingredients in the holy anointing oil used in the tabernacle. In Proverbs 7 verse 17, cinnamon was also referenced in the context of perfume. I have perfumed my bed with myrrh, aloes, and cinnamon. And in Songs of Solomon 4 verse 14, cinnamon is listed among the spices and fragrance used to celebrate love and beauty. So these passages highlight how highly valuable cinnamon was for its fragrance, ceremonial uses, and symbolic significance. We're going to talk more about all of that a little later on. But let's fast forward to present. Modern science has confirmed many of the health benefits that ancient cultures believed about cinnamon. And here's what makes cinnamon so remarkable. Number one, it has a compound called Cinnamaldehyde, which, by the way, is what gives it its distinctive flavor and aroma. This has powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties, which help combat inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Number two, it is loaded with polyphenols, and these are antioxidants that neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative damage and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Number three, it has fiber, which helps with digestion, as you know, and maintains healthy bowel movement. It also aids in regulating blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Diabetics, you hear that? Number four, I think, it has another nutrient called manganese, which plays a critical role in bone health, metabolism, and the formation of connective tissue. It also supports the body's antioxidant defenses as well. Calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth, it also supports muscle function and nerve signaling. And this is the dry one, the dry version. Same thing, just that this is dried. Iron, which is necessary for the production of hemoglobin and which carries oxygen into the blood, it also has. Iron supports overall energy levels and cognitive function. Vitamin K, important for blood clotting and bone health, regulate calcium levels in the body as well as also, and vitamin C, which is known for its immune boosting properties. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant and supports skin health and collagen production. This is a beautiful powder, guys. The cinnamon powder. So those are all interesting, amazing health benefits of this ancient spice has come to light. Again, modern medicine has confirmed how beautiful and healthy this aromatic spice is. So let's contrast and compare now. So ancient cultures believe in cinnamon's medicinal properties, and today's science backs up many of these claims. For example, while ancient texts spoke of its anti-inflammatory effects, modern research shows that cinnamaldehyde helps to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. We spoke about that. And practical applications today involve using cinnamon to manage blood sugar, enhance digestive health, and support overall wellness. This here is cinnamon. And guess what, guys? I'm joined by Ms Ena, the superstar. You remember her from the sarsaparilla video and the papaya video. Ms Ena, say hi to the world, Madam Ena.
Hi.
All right, Ms Ena is going to help us understand a little bit more about the traditional uses and stuff of cinnamon. Ms Ena, how do you use it?
Well,
what do you know of how people use it based on your traditional knowledge, cultural background?
People who have maybe diabetic, maybe pain, people use it for different reasons, because maybe the reason for cinnamon with meat, it don't help you or it don't help the other person. But I know person that said they use cinnamon all along. I even know a man now, he said his father is 88 and all along is a cinnamon tea he drink. He purchased it from me in Montego Bay, and he said he go to the doctor and the doctor said everything is all right, and he just figured that it's the cinnamon.
Consistent use of the cinnamon?
Yes, consistent use of the cinnamon. And he said he don't feel any pain either, right? And he just figured that is the cinnamon. So it's a lot of great use, and you know, you make your porridge, you put it in it, you even boil your tea, you can just draw it like this and drink it as tea. And maybe some people like it in busy, yeah, when you're boiling the busy tea, when you're boiling the chocolate tea, you put a little spice also. Yes, and you know the dry part of it, it can burn.
Burn?
Yes, it's an incense.
Oh, an incense.
Yes, when it's dry. Yes, like this dry one here, no? Okay, this dry one. Maybe you have it dry and it shell off and you said, think I want bother use it. Then you can just put it together. Right, and you can just break it up, put it maybe into a little, maybe something that won't catch fire, and then you can just burn it outside, and the smell of it,
aroma,
it's very, very nice.
Well, you know, funny guys, because Ms Ena wasn't here when we were talking about the biblical context. We're talking about it earlier, Ms Ena, and we talk about the modern, the scientific aspect of it, how people using it. So a lot of what you're saying now is coming right back. In the Bible days, they use it in anointing oil in Exodus. In Proverbs, they talk about it in perfume, and then in Songs of Solomon, spices and fragrances.
Yes.
And you know, it health benefits wise, it's loaded with a lot of health benefits. You know, it has polyphenols, it has manganese, it has iron, it has calcium, it has vitamin K, vitamin C, all of that kind of stuff. So you didn't hear, she wasn't hearing us, guys, because she just joined us.
Yes.
But it's funny that she's confirming what we know, and we've been sharing with you all along. And this is Precious. Precious is actually the lady who owns the cinnamon tree here where we are, and she's the owner of these pigs too. These huge pigs that I have a joke to tell you that Ven told me that these pigs are going to be the nicest pigs because they have the cinnamon tree around them. They're smelling the aroma of the cinnamon every day. So these pigs are going to have the nicest meat. So So anyway, how do you use it, Miss? Do you use it? I mean, what do you know about the cinnamon different? Anything different from what Ms Ena said?
No, not really. Me only know say we use it make tea, same as what Ms Ena already said everything. We put it in a porridge because me boil it and drink. And then so when you boil the green one, it make you eat.
Oh.
Yeah, that me understand.
Appetite.
It give you a good appetite. And then me drink it so me and a chew. Yeah man, it make you eat plenty.
Okay.
Right chew. So me boil it and drink a morning time.
Okay.
And if me make tea like cocoa or as Ms Ena said chocolate, yeah me use it in it.
I have it abundant. Okay, by the way guys, here's a little clip. I actually used it this morning. I was making Ms Ena some Irish mash. Irish mash tea.
Oh, yes.
Irish mash tea. And you probably, I don't know if you know about that. A friend of mine told me about Irish. You know, normally we use it in smoothies in Jamaica here. Blend up and say it good for man and strength and bam, 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 bam. But I use Irish mash. The original Genus Gracillera, the stringy one, what Dr. Sabi recommended. I use it to make tea. I was making tea this morning, guys, and I dropped some cinnamon leaf in there, and man, for the first time, and it's bad. Yes, this is it. Yes, man. Yeah, man. This is it.
Cinnamon tea nice.
Yes, this is it. And Venetia, my assistant here, she said, "What you have to tell me about this?" she have a mystical component to share, guys. What do you know about what do you tell?
Well, in some places, well, obviously not Jamaica. It's tradition or what you would call it?
Ritual.
A ritual where for good luck and prosperity at the beginning of every month or anything new, if it's a new job or whatever, but mainly the main one is the beginning of every month or the first of every month. After they clean the house, they stand outside at the doorway, put the cinnamon in their hand and they blow it into the house, and that should welcome the powdered cinnamon. Blow it into the house, and that is to welcome prosperity and wealth and protection in the
Look
home.
and all of them stuff. Yeah.
Right.
Interesting. I want to hear how you use cinnamon, guys. How you use cinnamon.
Well, it just
Put
good as a
it in
brand.
put it in the comments. How do you use it, Ms Ena? I have a question that I don't know. I'm asking you now. How do they get the powder? I know somebody's asking.
Well, the powder now, you see
What you have in
the
your hand here,
huge
yeah.
part of the tree.
The
All
bark.
right, the chunk of the tree. We call it the chunk. You can shave it down. You chip a little around it because you can't go too deep. It will hurt the tree.
Yeah. Just the
Even
bark.
let it die.
Just the bark.
Right, just the bark, and then you wash it. Let it clean. Right, and you put it out in the sun, and you let it dry. Let it dry. When it dry, you pick it up in little pieces, and then if you have a grinder, you put it in the grinder, and then you grind it out. Well, when you grind it out, maybe it could have rough. Then you can sieve it. Sieve it. Yes, and then you get this from it.
Let you get this.
Yes.
How to make cinnamon powder. You just got a bonus right now, guys. How to make cinnamon powder. Lovely. Awesome. And we're going to share with you, just before, I'm going to ask Ms Ena actually sells cinnamon in the market. It's actually one of her signature products. We talk about the sarsaparilla, which she has and other stuff there. She's a herbal person. All naturalist and all of that, you need to meet her. But she also has the cinnamon in abundance as well. I'm going to ask Ms Ena to share her contact with persons who might be interested in getting cinnamon, the authentic Jamaican cinnamon as well. Ms Ena, share your contact with them.
Well, my contact is the Trust God Market in Montego Bay. The easiest way to get me, I'm right at where they sell the beef. The door where are below where they sell the coal. But if you come at any of those departments, you will find me right there. And the stuff is always outside. Right? It's only I'm there on a Thursday to Saturday. But from maybe from 8 until 2 on Thursday, but Saturday I'll be there a little later, and Friday also I'll be there a little later.
All right. So no excuse, everybody. You give them full detailed information. Just one more thing though, your number. For those who might be overseas or whatever, who want want to make some arrangement, I want to talk to you about it, whatever else.
My number is 465-5012, along with the code 876.
876. Ms Ena, man. The herbal naturalist guys with all the herbal stuff, and she again have the cinnamon. But before you go, I promise you a bonus. I'm gonna share with you how you can incorporate cinnamon in your daily routine right now. All right. Number one. Well, actually, I'm gonna do it two parts, guys. Because one, some people have access to the powder. For those who are away from, like far away from the plant, we have the plant, so we can get the leaves and stuff. But there are persons who just get the powder in the supermarket and stuff like that. So I'm gonna share two ways for use of the leaves and use of the powder. First, for the powder, one, you can add it to your morning, your oatmeal or your smoothies. Sprinkle a bit of cinnamon powder on your breakfast for added flavor and health boost. You can also mix it in your coffee or tea. As I mentioned to you earlier, in my tea. Number three, use it in baking. Yes, incorporate it in your recipes for muffins, cookies, bread, or all of that stuff to enhance the taste of aroma. It doesn't hurt, actually. Just add to the flavor and taste of your food. And number four, yogurt, cinnamon spice yogurt. Here, that's another way you can try. Mix teaspoon of cinnamon powder into your yogurt for a delicious and nutritious snack. And for those who have access to the leaves, you can infuse it, infuse your water or tea with it. Just steep the cinnamon leaves in hot water and to create that soothing aromatic tea or water. You can add it to your soups and stews. Yes, just put the leaves. Use fresh or dried cinnamon leaves to add that subtle, spicy note to your savory dishes. You ever say something, Ms Ena?
I take rice and peas.
Rice and peas, which actually is right where what I was gonna mention. Use it in cooking rice or grains. Add a few cinnamon leaves to the pot when cooking rice or any other grains for a hint of flavor. And then the classic, certainly for us Jamaican, cinnamon leaf tea. Cinnamon, guys, and ways you can incorporate cinnamon into your daily routine to enjoy all its amazing health benefits. The cinnamon, guys, the spice of ages. And by the way, guys, cinnamon, 100% organic, well-crafted cinnamon is also one of the items that I have on my e-store. There's a link to it in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. Cinnamon, guys, and its amazing health benefits. I want to hear from you. How do you use cinnamon? Tell me, man. Put it in the comments. We want to learn from each other. Put it in the comments right now. And actually, you need to share this video as well, right? People need to know about all of these beautiful stuff we have here and the value they provide. So hit that share button and send it to somebody right now. There's another video I think you'll love to see, and that's the one with pimento. It's a little old. It's the one I did way back, but I think you'll love it. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.